I didn't know that I was gonna stream today, but or this morning, but I am, I guess. So let's get started. Let's not do too much wandering around mentally. I want to finish coloring this frame real quick, and then I think after that I just have to do cleanup and like maybe do some in between frames to make everything look more smooth. If you're watching this in the future, hello. And I guess we'll just wait for anybody to come on in. Till then, it'll be a pretty chill stream where I just color and I can be on in the background. Also, say good morning to Zaza. Alright, let's try to find the frame. Okay, there they are. What color should I make the wood? Should I make it like a wood color or like a white color? I'm gonna do white. Hey, Violet. You just missed it. I just showed Zaza. Well and alive. And not eaten. Welcome back. Yesterday, the stream went pretty long. It went almost as long as the other day. Almost, not quite. We were like 30 minutes shy, so I guess not really. Do we like this? I don't know if I like that color. I like it. Probably like a brown. You think I should do a brown? Let's try a brown. I thought about doing brown, but then I didn't. And I think it should be like a more like browny brown. If I'm gonna do a brown. Like a dark brown. Yeah, like that. It looks darker on camera. This is why I don't stream in the mornings, you guys. It's not because I don't want to. One, it's either like one of two things. I either have to go see somebody for work, and or the sun from my window like makes a reflection on my tablet. Maybe in the mornings I should start doing like OBS where like it like shows my screen but you guys can't see my hands. But I thought I figured it out the other day, like I get more people like watching when people can see my hands like actually doing it, like drawing and stuff. I mean, so I don't know, I guess people like watching me draw with my hands. Did I watch The Power 2? Yes. I watched the first episode, and then I was gonna watch the second episode, but I fell asleep after I got off the stream. I like just completely crashed. But I did watch the first episode. I can't wait to find out how they get rid of more people, because they can't just only get rid of one person every time. Right? Was it good? It was alright. It was different than I expected. It seemed like they started off like in the middle of the episode. Or it was weird because like it said it was the first episode. But like it said that they had already eliminated a few people. So I was a little confused. But then I was just like, oh, I guess, I don't know. Who's your favorite character? I like Pillow so far. Tree and Winter. I don't like Winter. He seems, I don't know, like, I don't know what it is about him, about them. They're like so complainy, at least from the episode that I watched. They're like, I don't want my name in the name. I was like, whatever, man. You know what your name means. That's why you ended up with a team named the S's. That's what I don't like them. Maybe it's just the first episode they were whiny, but I felt like they were whiny. I also don't like 2. But like I don't hate 2. I just don't particularly like them. Oh no, you guys. I don't know if it's gonna work out with the brown because the cart is kind of brown. I just did this whole thing in brown. I did hear that part in the backstory because I think they did do his backstory. I'm so upset right now, you guys. I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, it did most of it. Okay. What about this color? What do we think about this color? Is that okay? Does that look okay? I saw them in the backstory. Hi, Ellie. Yeah, okay, cool. Back to work then. I did watch. There's another one. I think it was Ghost. Remember Ghost? Ghost wanted me to watch Chikawa. I did not like that either. It was cute. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't think it's for me. Then you're like in episode 8. I think you skipped some episode. It said it was episode 1. I guess I'm gonna have to go back. Well, that doesn't give me hope for liking Winter. That doesn't give me hope that I'll like Winter eventually. It takes a little bit of episodes to know Winter's backstory. Oh, well, I saw it in the first episode. Either the first or the second. No, it was the first episode because they were choosing the name of the team, and then that's why they were talking about it. Or they were choosing like the team players. for the teams of 7. And that was around the time that I heard about the story. Not me starting on the completely wrong episode. What? I thought it was weird that they started in the middle of the episode for some reason. I was like, what is this? Unless it is. I'm just like, what? Wasn't it one named Death Pact? Yeah, and then they said, let's be Death Pact again. I was like, Death Pact again? I was gonna do like no bottoms, but I think I have to because let me check the first episode and see if you watched it. I forgot. Okay. Hi, Sprout. What's up? You watched was the one you watched tilted? You know those buttons that don't actually do anything? Titled, you know those buttons don't actually do anything? I don't know. I didn't look at, you know what? I actually didn't look at the title name of the episode. My bad. I actually didn't even look. So, I don't know why I didn't. I clicked on a playlist and it said episodes 1 through something. And or it said like all episodes. And so I just clicked it and I pressed play. But I remember them saying that in the show because they were in the elevator, and in the elevator it said, like one of the characters said, you know, those buttons don't actually do anything. So they did say it in the episode. That's cute, you guys. Alright, and then now I'm gonna do like a marker. I'm like, should I do, I think I'm gonna do black ink. No, I hate that actually. That looks so ugly. Absolutely not. Maybe, but it needs to be thinner. Okay, maybe that one. I want to redo this part. I don't know if that looks good or not. I don't like Pillow. It's because BFDI is before Teapot and people got eliminated in BFDI. Then Teapot came out in as a new season. See, but you didn't tell me that. I didn't know. Okay, so I wasn't wrong. I did watch the first episode. You should have told me to watch the other one first. It doesn't matter. Oh my god, you're funny. Okay, I think it should be okay now. I'm gonna add some more frames here at the end. And possibly like have this camera going more. I hate that I have to keep going all the way to the end. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, I think it looks good, but I do want to add some more frames to make it a little bit longer so it doesn't look so like fast. It looks so fast. So we'll add 6 here and then we'll add 6 here. I just don't want it to be too long because I feel like people won't watch it if it's a short. Should I post it as a short and as a regular video? Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Make it a video. I'm scared of nobody watching it as a video, to be honest. But maybe I should because it's kind of long. It's like, let's see how long it is. Oh my god, you guys, it's like 30 seconds. And I haven't even added the like intro part from the last video. It's already animated, but I haven't even added it. That's crazy. My first vid has only like 10 views, so I normally get 1K views on my shorts. Yeah, usually same here. I think about 1K views on my shorts. Sometimes I'll get like 2K. I think the highest I've ever gotten is like one video of me drawing, like actually drawing, not digital, like traditional drawing. And that one got like, I think like 14K or something. But that was like, I think over a year ago. Yeah, the algorithm's been tough lately. It's okay. Okay, let's see how this looks. What the heck? What is going on? Hold on, you guys. What was that? And then I... Oh, these weren't even part of it. I was wondering. Hold on, you guys. I'll show you what I'm doing right now. These layers weren't even part of the thing. I was like wondering, why isn't it moving? This is what's bad about cameras, is that sometimes like the layers, you won't have them. At least maybe on Clip Studio Paint is the issue. I don't know. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, cool. And then I'll do one more zoom. I want to do another zoom like here. Or not zoom, but like I want it to be close, a close up. So that you guys can like really see his face. Okay, there should be okay. And then hold and go here. And here we go. And then hold. And then boom. Let's try again. I'll fix that. I'll fix that. It doesn't look... I like animation on IBS Paint. It's like the app you use, but less complicated, to me at least. Guys have gotten a 3K. I'm flexes because they have more subs than me. Subs doesn't matter if nobody watches your videos. That's the point of them subscribing, is for them to watch your videos. But anyway, I don't think I've ever used IBS Paint. Actually, is that like only on like iPad? The only two animation apps that I've used is, I think I did use Flip-a-Clip when I was first learning, but I didn't post anything with it. I just like used it just to, because I didn't want to download something on my computer. I just downloaded it on my phone and I did like a few little frames and then I deleted it. And then I went on my computer and I downloaded Rough Animator. But because I don't have an iPad, I wasn't able to convert anything. Plus the quality was kind of not the greatest because it's Rough Animator for a reason. Most people do Rough Animator and then they send it to Adobe Animate or Procreate. And then they like use that as their base layer. But I can't have Procreate because it's only for iPhone and iPad. So I was like, let me find something else. And then that's how I found Clip Studio. And it's worked out pretty good for me. Maybe they changed it, but when I first started, like 2 years, like a year and a half ago or 2 years ago, it wasn't available on Windows. Okay, I'm gonna try to watch it again. See if it does anything. I think it definitely needs some more spacing. So maybe copy. Maybe like right here. Mm. Okay. I think that should look okay. Hopefully. That looks a little better, actually. It doesn't look so sudden. You're gonna go AFK. You're gonna... Okay, bye. Thank you, Kimberly, for letting us know. It's taking me like 5 days. 5 days to animate something? Let's keep working on this. Maybe I just need to add some frames because it looks a little fast. Insert frames. Let's do 6. And then also, oh, hold on. Let me change it to linear. Let me change this to the green one. And then change this one to the green one. Okay, cool. And then yeah, I think that should be okay. I do want to add some more facial changes to him in that frame too. I should call Tombstone, Jimmy Bob, or Gerald. I think maybe Tom. I think maybe we should call him his name. You know, we never named the ghost. We've just been calling him the ghost. Why don't you try to name him since he doesn't have a name? You're just gonna let him be nameless? Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna drink. First, I'm gonna drink water because I haven't drank water today. Then I'm gonna drink coffee. Remember to drink your water, you guys. Don't be dehydrated like me. Call the ghost Silver. Silver. Okay, Wild Zaza. 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 She doesn't want to be bothered. You don't know? I don't know either. I kind of want to call him Mr. Mustache. Mr. Mustache. I kind of want to do right here. I want to do like another frame. Where did I color? What the heck? Where did I color his yellow thing? Oh, I think it's this one. Okay, yeah. I was like, what the heck? I want to do like a bouncing motion for his exclamation point. I think it's supposed to be 12. No. God, no. 30? No. 20? No. 25? Okay, 25. But it should go up a little bit, right? Like, let's do 27. And then back to 7. That's layer 7, not 7. Okay. That looked horrible. Do you guys see that? That was awful. What? Maybe it's because I don't have the yellow. I don't think that's why, you guys. Back to the drawing board. No, that's a curse word. I don't want to name my character the curse word. Unless it's cheeky, like a cheeky way of doing it. That's not very cheeky. Okay, we're gonna try something different. Just because I don't want to keep redrawing it. Let's see what looks the best, like movement-wise. Okay. Okay. I don't feel like it's getting the pop I want. I don't know. We'll have to leave it there because I don't know what else to do. Call him Gerald. I think that fits him. Look at how many camera angles I have on this video. It's getting so confusing. Maybe the problem is that it's too, like, too close. Okay, so I'm gonna, hold on. I'm gonna insert one frame here and delete one frame here. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. And delete, and delete. Oh, see, look at that. That looks so much better. I think I'm gonna do one more. And delete. And add. And delete. Okay. Alright, you guys. I think that's it. I just have to do cleanup work now. I just have to do cleanup and then edit all the video together and add the voiceover. So let's go ahead and see if there's any. I'm gonna turn off the cameras. Not my camera, but the cameras on the video. Sorry. I have the hiccups, I think. Oh, I guess I can't. I can't turn it off. That sucks. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have the hiccups right now. I'm sorry if the camera bounces. Wait, I was gonna make an animation. Of what? Ugh. Okay. This one is fine. This one's fine. It's fine. I think right here I'm gonna need to do some cleanup work though. I thought I saw something last time I was. I guess not. I thought I saw something last time. There we go. Oh my god, I did it on the wrong layer again, you guys. I suck. I'm the worst. At least it was only that one frame and I found it. Now, what frame did I do this on? Okay, right here. There we go. I fixed it. It's okay. It's a trend. I'm so confused. I'm sorry if you guys can't see well. The glare from my window is insane right now, which is why I usually wait till nighttime to stream so that my window doesn't glare my camera. I mean my computer. Also, has anybody watched the live stream that I did with I think it was also for Tom, but it was like you guys were seeing the screen share of my computer. Do you guys like that better if you watched it? Let me know, because if that's the case, I'll do that. But like, I know some people like to watch like my actual hands doing the drawing, which is why I haven't changed it. I came back to like drawing with my hands on camera. I wasn't here that time. It's gonna be a Shiba character called Six Little Legs. Oh, it's public if you want to look at it. Let me know if you do look at it. You don't have to. But if you do look at it, let me know if you like that better. Because I'm trying to see if people like that better or if people like watching me draw, like actually moving my hands better. I don't know. I think that's all the cleanup work I need. I think I just want to add some face things here. Okay, you guys. I have to get ready for work. But if you like my animations, I have lots of animations you guys can watch. I have, I think, like two animated story times or something, and then I have like a bunch of animated videos on my channel already. If you guys want to watch those, and I will see you guys on the next stream, probably tonight, probably around like six-ish. I don't know. Maybe I'll start it early and just like stream the whole night. I don't know. We'll see. It is Sunday, but I know a lot of people watch the Super Bowl, so who knows. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. If you like my videos, leave a comment on one of my videos and I might see it. Okay, bye you guys.